तो बच्चों, टुडे नाउ आई स्टार्ट exercise 3.5 remaining questions. I have already discussed question number 1 and 2. So today now I start question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution and cross multiplication method. Here is a question and solve this question by substitution and cross multiplication. So इसको solve करते हैं. Here is 8x plus 5y equal to 9 equation first and 3x plus 2y equal to 4 equation 2. So by substitution method, from equation 1, 8x plus 5y equal to 9, then x equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. Putting the value of x in equation 2, here is equation 2, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Now put 3 into x, value of x 9 minus 5y by 8 plus 2y equal to 4. Now multiply this. 3 into 9 27 minus 3 into 5y minus 15y by 8 plus 2y equal to 4. Now here take LCM 8 and 1. LCM 8 हो जाएगा. So 27 minus 15y plus 8 to the 16y equal to 4. Now here cross multiplication. 16y minus 15y plus 27 equal to 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. Now y equal to 27 come this side. So change this sign, minus 27. And here 16y minus 15y equal to y. Y equal to 32 minus 27, then y equal to 5. Now put y equal to 5 in equation 3rd, getting value of x. This is equation 3rd. Put value of y in equation 3rd. We obtained x equal to 9 minus 5 into 5. The 9 minus 25 equal to 60 by 8 minus 2. So this is solution by substitution method. Now another method is cross multiplication method. So here by cross multiplication method, this is equation first convert in the form of a standard form a1x b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation third. And 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is equation 4. So by cross multiplication, first of all write x, y, 1 and draw a line. First of all write value of x, then cover the x. x को क्या कर लेंगे, कवर कर लेंगे. ये मेरा x है, तो x को क्या करेंगे, कवर कर लेंगे इसको. So now इसको मैंने कवर कर लिया. ठीक है. So 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 20 and minus 9 into 2 minus 80 equal to, अब हमें y का लिखना है तो y को क्या करेंगे, कवर कर लेंगे. y को कवर करेंगे. So here is y को कवर कर लिया मैंने. And now 3 into minus 9 minus 27 minus 8 into minus 4 minus 30 equal to 1. 1 का लिखना है. So अब जो मेरा कांस्टेंट टर्म है इसको बंद कर देंगे. इसको कांस्टेंट टर्म को बंद कर देंगे. कांस्टेंट टर्म जो है इसको बंद कर देंगे. So multiply multiply 8 into 2 16 and 5 into 3 minus 15. Now solve this. Solve. x by minus 20 plus minus plus 18 equal to y by minus 27 plus minus plus 32 equal to 1 by 15 minus 16 minus 50 equal to 1. Now x by minus 20 plus 18 minus 2 equal to y by minus 27 plus 32 5 equal to 1. Now solve and find the value of x. So first of all, take this is a variable x and 1. So minus x by minus 2 equal to 1, and second part take y by 5 equal to 1 and solve this. So here is x by 2 minus 1, then x equal to minus 2, and take y by 5 equal to 1. Y by 5 equal to 1, then y equal to 5. This is your answer. Let's question number 4. Here is the question number 4. Question number 4, total 5 questions. I have solved all question one by one. From the pair of linear equation in the following problem and find their solution by algebraic methods. So here is the first question. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student ate food for 20 days, she has to pay Rs 1000 as hostel charge, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pay Rs 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. तो लेट करेंगे, लेट फिक्स चार्ज x and the cost of food per day y. यहाँ पर मैंने लेट किया, लेट द फिक्स चार्ज x and charge of food per day equal to y. So here is, according to question, first statement, a boy takes, when a student takes food for 20 days, the x is a fixed charge and here is a 20. So charge food per day y. So for 20 y equal to he pay Rs 1000 equation first. Now here is a statement B, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days, x is a fixed charge plus 26y equal to 1180. So equation 1 and 2 solve and get value of x and y. This is easy for elimination methods. So apply elimination method. This is equation first and this is equation second. Subtract equation 1 from 2 or subtract 2 from 1. Any subtract आप किसी को कर सकते हैं. So here is subtract equation 1 from 2. So जब subtract कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पर मेरा सिंबल क्या होगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. यहाँ प्लस है तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस, और यहाँ प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस, यहाँ प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. So now here is x minus x कैंसिल हो गया. Here is 26y minus y equal to 6y, and here 1180 minus 1000 equal to 180. Then y equal to 180 by 6. 180 divide 6, we get 30, y equal to 30. Now put y equal to 30 in equation 1. Equation 1 is x plus 20y equal to 1000, then x plus 20 and value of y equal to 30 equal to 1000. X plus 20 into 30, 600 equal to 1000. X equal to 1000 minus 600, 1000 minus 600 equal to 400. This is your answer. Question number second. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. So let fraction x by y. Let the fraction x by y. And according to question, fraction become 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So here is numerator, x is numerator and y is denominator. So subtract 1, it becomes 1 by 3. Now solve by cross multiplication. 3 into x, 3 into x minus 1 equal to y. Then 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 1, minus 3 equal to y. Now 3x, y come this side, so 3x minus y equal to 3. This is equation first. And statement second, it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Here is x numerator and y denominator. 8 is added to denominator, it becomes 1 by 4. So cross multiplication 4 into x, 4x and y into 1, y plus 8 into 1, 8. Now 4x minus y equal to 1. This is equation first and this is equation second. Solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination methods. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 is 4x minus y equal to 8 and equation 1 is 3x minus y equal to 3. So here is subtract, so change this sign. साइन को चेंज करेंगे, यहाँ प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा, एंड यहाँ प्लस है तो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. सो हियर इज 4x minus 3x equal to x. 4x minus 3x equal to x, and this is a minus y plus y cancel, and 8 minus 3 equal to 5. Then x equal to 5 is your answer. Now put x equal to 5 in equation first, we get value of y. So equation first is 3x minus y equal to 3, and put x equal to 5. 3 into 5 minus y equal to 3. 3 into 5, 15 minus y equal to 3. Minus y equal to 3 and 15 come this side, so change this sign, minus 15. Then minus y equal to 3 minus 15 minus 12, minus minus cancel, y equal to 12 is your answer. So fraction is 5 by 12. Question number third. Yes, scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. He had marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer. Then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions are there in a test? तो लेट करेंगे, लेट करेक्ट आंसर x and wrong answer y and total questions x plus y. लेट करेंगे number of correct answer x and number of correct incorrect answer y and total question x plus y. So according to question, yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer. Here is correct answer x and here is each right answer 3 marks for each right answer. So 3x and losing 1 marks. Losing means minus 1 marks for each wrong answer. So here is a incorrect y, so minus y, and he obtained 40 marks. Statement 2, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. Let correct answer be x and awarded 4 marks, then 4 into x, and 2 marks be deducted for each incorrect answer. So here is incorrect answer is y and 2 marks deducted, that means minus 2y equal to you score 50 marks. Now this is equation first and this is equation second. Now solve equation first and second by substitution methods. Substitution or elimination method. Elimination method. So this is equation first, 3x minus y equal to 40 equation first, and 2x minus y equal to 50 equation 2 by elimination method. Subtract equation 2 from 1. Equation 1 is 3x minus y equal to 40 and equation 2 is 2x minus y equal to 50. Now here is subtract, so change this sign. यहाँ माइनस हो जाएगा, यहाँ माइनस सिंबल है तो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस, and here is minus. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Minus y plus y cancel, and 3x minus 2x equal to x, and 40 minus 25 equal to 15. So x is your answer. Now put x equal to 15 in equation 2, we get value of y. So equation 2 is 2x minus y equal to 15, 2 into x equal to 15 minus y equal to 25. 2 into 15 30 minus y equal to 25, and minus y equal to 25 and 30 come this side, so change this sign, minus 30. Minus y equal to 25 minus 30 minus 5, minus minus cancel, y equal to 5. So this is correct answer and this is incorrect answer. Next question number 4. Place A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speed, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What is the speed of two cars? तो लेट करते हैं, लेट a speed of first car x and a speed of second car y. So here is train. One car start from A and B at the same time. If car travels in the same direction, then a speed x minus y, relative speed in same direction x minus y, and relative speed in opposite direction x equal to y. And here is a formula, distance equal to a speed into time. So total distance is 100 km given है, and a speed for first statement, a speed in opposite direction x into y, and opposite direction if they travel towards each other they meet in 1 hour, so time 1 hour. Then x plus y equal to 100 equation, x plus y equal to 100 equation second. And here is first equation, if the car travels in same direction, then a speed x minus y and time taken 5 hours equal to total distance 100 km. Then x minus y equal to 100 by 5 and 100 divided by 5 equal to 20. Then x minus y equal to 20. This is equation first and this is equation second. Now solve equation first and second by elimination methods. Add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is x minus y equal to 20 and equation 2 is x plus y equal to 20. So here is a add though, then there is no change in symbol, minus y cancel, x plus x to x equal to 20 plus 100, 120, then x equal to 120 by 2, then 120 divided by 2 equal to 60, then 60 is your answer. Now put x equal to 60 in equation 2. Equation 2 is x plus y equal to 100, then value of x equal to 60 plus y equal to 100, then y equal to 100 and 60 come this side, so change this sign, minus 60, 100 minus 60 equal to 40. So this is a value of x and this is value of y. A speed of first train 60 km per hour and a speed of second train 40 km per hour. Next question, question number 5 is last question. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increased by 67 square units. Find the dimension of rectangle. तो लेट करते हैं, let length of rectangle x and breadth of rectangle y and area of rectangle x into y. Here is length of rectangle x, breadth of rectangle y and area of rectangle x into y. Now first statement, area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. So x into y is area reduced, that means minus 9, when if its length is reduced by 5, length is x and reduced means 5, then x minus 5 and breadth is increased by 3, then y plus 3 equal to x plus y minus 90. Now solve this, x into y xy and x into 3 3x minus 5 into y minus 5y and minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. Here is it, xy and minus 9, xy come this side, so xy and xy come this side, then change the sign, minus xy plus 3x and minus 5y equal to minus 9 and minus 15 from this side. So change this sign plus 15. So xy and minus 6y cancel हो जाएगा. 3x minus 5y and minus 9 plus 15 equal to 6. This is equation first. Now from second statement, if we increase the length by 3, here is length increased by 3, then x plus 3 and breadth by 2 units. So breadth is y and increase 2 units, then y plus 2 equal to the area of rectangle increased by 67 square. Here is area of rectangle xy and increase 67, then plus 67. Now multiply x into y xy and x into 2 2x, 3 into y 3y and 3 plus 2 3 into 2 plus 6 equal to xy plus 16. xy cancel हो जाएगा. 2x plus 3y equal to 67 and 6 from this side. So change this sign. 67 minus 6 equal to 61. This is equation 2. This is equation first and this is equation second. Solve equation first and second by cross multiplication. So here is, first of all, write equation first in the form of standard form. a1x b2y b1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. So 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0, and here is 2x plus 3y minus 67 61 equal to 0, equation 4. Now solve equation third and 4 by cross multiplication. First of all, write value of x, then x को cover कर लेंगे and multiply minus 5 and minus 60, 305 minus minus 6 into 3 minus 18. Now write value of y, then y को cover कर लेंगे, इसको cover कर लेंगे. Now 2 into minus 6 minus 12 minus 3 into minus 61 minus 183 equal to 1. Now write value of 1, then 1 को क्या करेंगे, cover कर लेंगे, and 3 into 3 9 minus minus 5 into 2 minus 10. Now solve this. X by 305 minus minus plus 18 equal to y by minus minus plus 183 minus 12 equal to 1 by 9 minus minus plus 10. Now x by 305 plus 18 323 equal to y by 183 minus 12 171 equal to 1 by 9 plus 10 90. Now solve. This is x by 323 and 1 by 90 equal to x equal to 323 by 90. Cancel करेंगे 70 times. Then x equal to 70. Now take y by 171 equal to 1 by 90. Then x equal to 171 by 90. 99 ja 170. Then y equal to 9. Hence the length 70 unit and breadth 9 unit. So question exercise 3.5 has been completed. Total question number 4. Next questions, next exercise 3.6 I have discussed in next class. Okay, and